So in the first problem, we're asked to determine if the given point, in this case, -1, -6, is actually a solution to this system of equations. And just to remind ourselves, what is a system of equations? Well, a system of equations is a group of equations that are somehow connected by I guess the users, in that they're somehow going to be used to determine whether to predict something or to measure something. So in this case, we want to find out if this point is a solution to both of these. If it is a solution to both of these, then we call it a solution of the system. So what they mean by a solution is, if I plug if I plug -1 in for x and 6 in for y into both of these equations, and the left side is equal to the right side, then it is a solution to the system. So let's do that. Excuse me. So here we see that 12 does not equal 18. So the fact that this left doesn't equal the right means that this point is not a solution to the system. Now, normally we would stop, because if the point is not a solution to one of the equations, then it's not a solution to the system. But in theory, if this was equal, then you'd have to do it to the other equation. So let's just do it. So in this case, it is not a solution to either one of the equations. So it definitely is not a solution to the system. Okay, let's do number 2. So, so we're going to put in 12 for x and 0 for y. Now, I'm noticing this equation in standard form that all the numbers are equal. We can actually simplify this equation by dividing both sides by 2. This actually turns in then to x plus 3y is equal to 6. Same equation. It would have the same values when you plug in x and y. And it turns out that it makes it easier to deal with. So let's go ahead now and plug the points, the x and y coordinate, into the equations. So we have 0 equal to -1/6. That's 12 plus 2. So let's see, 1/6 of 12. Well, if I take and divide 12 into 6 parts. That's 2 each. And I just need one of them. So it's going to be 2, but that's a negative. So it's negative 2. And that indeed, 0 does equal 0. That's a positive check. So now I got to do to the other equation. So here I have 12. No, it does not. So this also is not a solution to the system. It's a solution to one of the equations, but not both. So that means you have to say not a solution to the system. Okay, and going on to 3. So here, 3, we are given the 0.6, negative 8, and you have y equals 2x minus 20. And you also have y equals to 1/2 x plus minus 11. So plugging 6 in for x and negative 8 in for y. Let's do this. Move this over. Oh. Check. Half of 6 is 3. Half of 6 is 3, and 3 minus 11 is negative 8. So this works. This point is a solution to both equations. So therefore, 6, negative 8 is a solution for the system of equations. Okay, that takes it for the top 3.